This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to Pack 14, Delivery 14 of the Fast and Furious Tiny Cars Collection, the 1/43rd scale models of the cars from the series, the saga. We've got 4 more to look at in this one, so let's have a look at the first of today's pack, which is the Acura Integra DC from 1996. Doesn't mean anything to me as a title, but there we go. Looking at the FBI fighting crime. The magazine, if you so desire to pause and read the words. This is the Honda. Oh, it's a Honda Acura. It's obviously a subdivision of some description. It looks like a normal car. Obviously, it's been souped up for the series, but yeah, that's a normal. Wouldn't blink if you see that going past. Got quite small headlights. Strange looking. More normal. But there you go. Look at all of the words and the pictures in there. And let's have a look at the model itself. So first up, we have the Acura Integra GSR, according to that. It's got some nice detailing on the side of it. Quite nice looking. I'm not one for the different colour panels. They don't do anything for me. It's quite nice. Paint job on there as ever. All the details you would expect. I'm sure the license plate is correct as well. There you go. There you have that one. The interior as well, done as ever. Not a lot to say about that one. It's the paintwork is the thing that makes that one stand out a little bit, doesn't it? So there we go. And second in today's pack is the Nissan Maxima A32 from 1999. Nissan, obviously, I'm familiar with, but don't know about the Maxima. But we're going to look at Vince as the from the series. I'm going to read all of those. Feel free. Nissan Maxima. There we go. Again, a normal-looking car. Nothing too over the top about that. Wouldn't blink seeing it go past again. It's fine. Quite nice. The good times come to an end for Nissan. Nissan, yeah, they were definitely a 90s sort of thing. I had one, a little Micra. But yeah, there we go. That's all of those. So let's have a look at the model. So a similar looking car to the last model, but slightly different. Again, it's got nice detailing on the side of it there. This is the Nissan Maxima. Yeah, it's all right. It's a road car with some highlighting details on the side there. Interior in there as well. Nice stuff. I don't know. This wasn't one of the hero cars. Obviously, it was used at some point in the series. Probably when they had they had hundreds of cars, didn't they, racing away from them in one scene. Probably one of those. If it's not, if you know where it's from, let me know in the comments and remind me which film it was. But for now, that's that one. So the third in today's pack, and the where are we? The 59th, the 50th in the series. The Nissan Fairlady ZZ. The Z33. I'm sure we've seen one of these before. Was there another Fairlady, but a slightly different model? I don't remember. Hit songs from the series. Yeah, there's been a few that pop up here and there. So yeah, the Fairlady. It's quite a curvy car. Quite nice looking. I quite like that. Yeah, not. It's a road car. You see one on the street, but you would look twice at that one, as opposed to the other ones in today's pack. You'd notice that it's a bit sleek. Quite nice looking. I'll go for one of those. Nissan's Worst Crisis, again following on from last time. Obviously, they're start of their, not downfall. I mean, they're still around, but yeah, they're full from the top, we say. So there we go. That's all of that. So let's have a look at the model itself. Third up is another Nissan, the Fairlady ZZ. I like the colour of that one. That's a nice colour. Big spoiler on the back there as well. Gets rid of the sleek lines that it used to have, but it obviously works. Gives it a bit more downforce so it can handle better speeds better. So there we go. That's that one. Nice. I like the metallic look of the paint. In fact, that's got a nice sheen to it. They've done very well with that one. I like the colour and sheen finish. Not sure the colour would be one for me driving around town, but it's quite nice. I'd go with that. That's fine. It's another perfectly serviceable vehicle in the collection. Let's clear this right then. Have a look at the last one. And the final one from today's pack, the Pontiac Fiero. Wow. Yeah, this is a special car in the series. Indeed, it is a journey into space. Is that the one that they took to space? I don't know. It's got the huge engine on the back of it. So, yeah, it probably is. I can't think of any other reason it would have had that huge engine on the back of it. So, a fairly normal car to begin with, although the model is anything but normal. It doesn't look quite like that. We'll see the model in a moment. But, yeah, I don't know why they decided on that car. It's all right. Again, as a car, it's an all-road car. There you go. Origins of Pontiac. Haven't seen much about those before, so feel free to read about the history of the company. Let me clear this out of the way, and we'll have a look at the last model in today's delivery. So our final one in today's delivery is the most interesting one of the lot, the Pontiac Fiero. It is the space car, the one they took into space on the back of a shuttle or something. I can't remember now exactly how it got there, but yeah, they've got the huge engine on the back there, nicely detailed. Obviously, the windscreen reinforced there as well. So yeah, that's nice. That's not just a stock car that they've done a paint job on or anything. They put a lot of effort into the engine and that on there, and it looks lovely. It's beautiful. Got lots of tiny details on there, all well done. I can't really make out if they've done much on the interior, but I'm sure they have. It looks as screen accurate as they can make it. So that is that. Another pack done. Another 4 cars looked at. We're over halfway through the series now, so I think there's 80 in the set. There's a few more to go. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very soon. Bye bye for now.